Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Charu Sethi and today I'm going to tell you the relation between the oil and how it can lead to the fatty liver. Liver, which is one of the largest organ of our body, is involved in performing many important functions like the formation of good cholesterol, vitamin D, hormones and also many other enzymes that helps in the breakdown of the fat cells and thus it prevents diseases like obesity, diabetes. But among all the enemies of the liver, one of the biggest enemy of the liver is the wrong form of oil that we add in our food. If we are taking the excess amount of fats which are trans fat or the saturated fat, they reduce the liver health and so the liver gets an extra burden on it for digesting those heavy forms of fats that leads to the fatty liver. If we add in our diet various forms of unsaturated fats like the extra virgin olive oil, the organic coconut oil, the homemade white butter or the cow grit, they do not lead to the formation of the fatty liver. If a person is suffering from fatty liver, there will be an excess of formation of free radicals in their blood. These free radicals, when circulate in the blood, can block the arteries, leading to the formation of high cholesterol levels and accumulate in the blood vessels as plaques. This causes the hypertension and various other cardiovascular disorders. So, it is very important that we keep our body away from all forms of trans and saturated fats and avoid eating a lot of fried food and junk food because they are the main sources of these harmful fats for the liver that can lead to the fatty liver. Apart from that, we can also add some herbal formulations like basil berry, zingi plus and gecula in our daily regimen, that we add some herbal formulations like zingi plus, basil berry and gecula in our daily routine, which will not only help to strengthen the liver health, but at the same time it will prevent the formation of the fatty liver. These herbal formulations, which are made by the combination of healthy herbs like ginger, basil, garcinia, turmeric, amla and also the giloy, helps in the breakdown of the fat cells so that they can be used for generating the energy in the body, and not only that, they help in controlling the levels of cholesterol in the blood, making the liver healthy. As a result, it will prevent the formation of the fatty liver.